Hello, welcome back to my channel again. InitialOfEarn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel. Only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day. Hello and assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to my channel with another video. First of all, guys, as usual, if you're not subscribe my channel, yes, just go to the subscribe button and smash that and click the bell button for more notifications. You can also check my recent videos that I uploaded about the golden tea. Golden tea is the best, most uh, amazing site that is still paying from 3 years ago. Okay, you can check all the video about this, and you can also check the check this video. It's 4 days ago. This is the best site like Google. How to work on free search, how to earn money uh, online, like if you search on Google and Google will never pay you, but this site pre-search will pay you after you search, everyone after you search. Okay, so the last one is 3 days ago, went up to 150 bucks, $50 in free Dogecoin. That is best and highly paying faucet. Hourly you can claim 0.24 Dogecoin. Okay, so this is the best site, guys. But today I will talk about also on uh, Dogecoin site, Dogecoin faucet, that is Moon Dogecoin, Doge.co that in faucet. Okay, so let's go to the review now. Okay, so what is this, guys? If you not yet register on this site, so just simply go to the video description and click on this link. I'll copy this link in and the paste in the browser URL, and just wait for a 3 seconds for checking your site. It is real or not. This is click deny and wait for a 5 seconds and skip this add button, and you will see your website. Okay, so guys, if you don't know what is Dogecoin, so you can go to this cryptocurrency coinmarketcap.com website. You can check out this coin. Moon Dogecoin is like a Bitcoin, guys. So if I search on Doge, so you can check the price of this coin. Is one Doge is equal to 0.002 dollar, but it you can see almost increasing day by day. Today it increased 1.86%. So guys, the best coin like Bitcoin. If you already know what is Bitcoin and when it launched, so you can see the price of this Bitcoin now 3,701 dollar. Okay, so but the Dogecoin rate is almost lowest price, but it will be increased day by day. But I extremely recommend you guys just save this coin, and you will get more profit in the future, I think so. So guys, you can see the site name, that is Moon Dogecoin. So this same process like um, Moon Bitcoin that I will upload on video on Moon Bitcoin. So the process is simple to sign in. So if you want to know what is Moon Dogecoin, Moon Dogecoin is a Dogecoin faucet with a difference. It's almost guys like Moon Bitcoin. Okay, So you decide how often to claim, where as most faucets only allow you to claim once per hour or once per day. We allow you to claim as often or as little as you like. The faucet will gradually fill up quite quickly initially, but it will slow down over time until you make a claim. So the longer you leave it, the more you will be able to claim. Okay, you may prefer to claim a smaller amount every 5 minutes or visit once per day and claim the large amount that has built up while you were away. Minimum 5 minutes between claim per account per IP address. Okay, you can join Moon Dogecoin on Twitter. Click here to view the current claim rates. If you click here, you will see the current click rate. Claim time is a period you can claim. After if you claim after 5 minutes, you can claim 0.02 Dogecoin. If you claim after 10 minutes, you can claim 0.03 Dogecoin, and if you claim after 15 minutes, you can claim 0.03 Dogecoin. As you can see, all the time and claiming reward. So hope you guys understand. If you don't know what is Moon Dogecoin or what is
Dogecoin is a
Dogecoin,
revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet from person to person with total
it's almost guys same like Bitcoin. Okay,
security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes Dogecoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the Dogecoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, visit Dogecoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
hope you guys understand what is Dogecoin and what use of Dogecoin and what is mainly purpose to use of Dogecoin. Okay, so guys, the process of registration is simply like Moon Dogecoin, like Moon Bitcoin. So uh, how to sign up? The process is simple like Moon Bitco.in. Okay, just simply put your Gmail account that must be linked in your Dogecoin wallet address. Okay, this simply push your Gmail account that must be linked in your Dogecoin wallet. Okay, so just simply put your Gmail ID and just click on this sign in button. Okay guys, so please prove that you are human or robot. Just fill the captcha and verify and submit this button. Okay, as you can see guys, you can the first button is refer. If you click on this, you will see the massive 25% lifetime commission plus up to 100% claim bonus. Refer your friend, enemies, or everyone else to Moon Dogecoin and receive 25% lifetime commission on all their faucet claim. All commission payments are paid instantly to your CoinPart account. So I already told in Moon Dogecoin what is CoinPart account. CoinPart, I again tell you what is CoinPart. The CoinPart account is, if you register with your Gmail ID, you will see your all progress in CoinPart account. So this is CoinPart.co website. You will see all the progress. So as you can see, I have 17.029 Dogecoin, and you will see also here 7.03, 7.029. It's almost like 3. Okay, so you can see all the progress here, and you will be able to see your all information from your this side. Amoon, Bitcoin are uh, actually they have many faucet: Bitcoin Core, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Dash. So you can see all the information on this CoinPort side. Okay, so here is my balance and weekly payment run completed. Okay, so you can see the detail when you will get a withdraw of your balance. Guys, weekly payment are processed not linked in CoinPart. Okay, if you have a registered CoinPart account, go to CoinPart to manage or withdraw your earnings. Okay, so you can read this instruction, be carefully. So the latest weekly payment are processed on 2018 325 and will be in your Dogecoin wallet by the time you read this. Over 303 Dogecoins were paid out in total to our 1900 different accounts. Okay, so the one you, if you reach the 100 Dogecoin threshold last week, then you can find a link in the blockchain transaction for your payment on the account page. Okay, you must be signed in to see this. Okay, if you did not reach the threshold, then your balance will be carried forward to next week. Okay, so yeah guys, you must be 100 Dogecoin for withdraw in your balance. Okay, so as you can see, you are registered, you're signed in as Zishan or your Gmail ID. So time, since you can see 63 hours 36 minutes, and you can see the seconds current claim amount. You can see the current claim amount, and if you want to claim, guys, if you want to get alert from this faucet, just simply check this option. Okay, so now we see how to claim our work. Okay, so just simply claim now button and just simply fill the captcha for security reason. Okay, simply and verified and submit this, and you will see it almost increased 70.52 Dogecoin, and you can see it's almost 0.00 dot. You must wait at least 5 minutes between claim. Okay guys, hope you guys uh, like this video Hope you guys uh, hope you guys like this video. And guys, I extremely recommend you this faucet, this Dogecoin faucet, because it's a very good, amazing site. You can earn free Dogecoin by claiming after 5 minutes. So thanks, thank you so much. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next video.